Hey guys, this is unexpected, but I just wanted to try and see if I could do a voiceover. So yeah, tell me if you like it. I'm also gonna do this in one take, so don't mind me. So I spent Christmas break with my family back home, and this is me taking the plane ride home. This is me on the long bus ride, and as you can see, I was really tired. But look, my hair is red, so that's a plus. I finally got back home, and this is me pressing the elevator thing. This is me struggling to get back into my room. Will it be this key? Nope, I guess not. Will it be the other key? Yay, I guess it is. Closing the door. Setting my bag down. That bag was heavy. It had my laptop in it. Sorry guys, my hair looked like a mess. I didn't really care. Putting my jacket away. Oh, and I was craving something. You'll see what it is. But I was craving this and I really wanted to make it, and I had all the ingredients in my fridge. It's chicken soup. I was really happy. And this is me boiling all this stuff to make it. So yeah, that's the end of all the vlog footage. But I just wanted to talk to you guys to see how my classes were going. Because yeah, the new semester is here. Yay. So, bio and chem was not too bad. It's the same old. It's just not many people are in my class. Not many people are going to lectures that much anymore. So, since we're in a smaller classroom, not really smaller classroom, but just a smaller lecture hall. Yeah. My two other classes were calculus and expo. I love my expo teacher. She's great. Expo is basically like just English class, except instead of writing this year, we're just going to be doing lots and lots of reading, and then we'll do like 3 writing assignments. It's not as much as last semester, but calculus is great. I like my teacher. We're going in a very, very slow pace, which I like and which I enjoy, so that's really good. So yeah, sorry this was late. I was supposed to post it the day before school started, but yeah, it happened to not be that way. Also, one more thing, I don't know that many people in my expo class, but I know some more people in my calculus class, because in my calculus class I only knew one person, and now I know about like 3 people in my calculus class, which is cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this new style that I just did, I wanted to try it out to see if I can do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this with your friends. Yeah, God bless.